welcome to a day in my life. So, the first thing I do in the morning is to let the sunlight come into my room. Then I take shower, do my skincare, and skip my breakfast as always. But today I'm getting ready for my classes.
Has been really cold since 2 days here. Did not expected that because the winter is about to end, but then it's getting started, it seems like. ভাবনা এটো আমার বেস্ট বাইডো
So, because our semester has just started, we did not have much classes, so I came back home.
So I decided to make my lunch. So I'm thinking I'll make fried rice with egg because I love eating it. So yeah, took a minute for making it.
Done and dusted. My mom wanted to go to shopping, so it's a sudden plan, and I got ready. And now we are heading towards Fancy Bazaar. It was fun shopping with my mom, but then I could not get what I wanted, so I was sad. But these cuties made me so happy.
Now I'm making tea for me and my mom because yeah, we both need tea. That's it for this vlog. I know it was not happening, but सच बताओ तो मेरे लिए काफी अच्छा दिन था ये. And you know what, life is meant to be like that. कभी अच्छे दिन होंगे, कभी बुरे दिन, कभी बहुत अच्छा दिन, कभी बहुत बुरा दिन. And that's what makes our life perfect. सब कुछ मिलके ही life perfect हो. Oh my god, that was a firecracker. Anyways, I hope you like this vlog. See you in my next vlog and don't forget to watch my previous vlog. Bye!